Hey guys, welcome back to Data with Dominic, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how to extract a range of characters from a particular column. So let's dive into the demo, and in this particular example I'm going to show you how to extract just the date from a date, time and time zone column of data. If the format is correct, generally in the Power Query editor you can just change the data type to date and it should work. But when sometimes if there's an issue with this data type, you need to manually extract the date. This is how you would do it. So you choose the column for which you want to extract a range of characters. You click on this extract transformation, which is in the add column tab. Extract, click range, and then once you've got the extract text range wizard pop up, we can mention the indexes you want to use. So the index just means which is the first character from where you want to pull data. So since we are starting at the initial character, we put 0 in, since in computers everything starts from 0, and then the date including the hyphens is 10 characters long, so we enter 10. Once we hit OK, you can see that we get the dates in a separate column, and then we can change the font to date and it works like a charm. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment and hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next one.